Kunal, and I am also, thank you very much, Mr. Kunal.
Yeah, thank you so much to you. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you heard, it's only success stories, it's only positivity. And I am so excited to say that KK shared this opportunity with me when I was in my lowest of lowest. I have invested my money in a lot of companies, and just I don't know what happened. Normally they say in December companies crash, and it happened to me in December. So I'm originally from South Africa, currently staying in Dubai. And KK shared this opportunity on the 10th of January with me. And I only had a $20. And when I told KK I've registered, but only with $20, it's all over the world: Nigeria, South Africa, the UK, USA, Germany, the Netherlands, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and I only started with $20, guys. If I click on my cycles, you can see here the 10th of January, right? I started with $20, and that was the only amount I had.
What's up, great people? Welcome to my channel. I want to share with you a great opportunity for you to start earning dollars every single day. Guys, this is mind-blowing, and you have to pay attention to what this opportunity is actually about. So the name of this platform is called Crypto Fortune, and on this Crypto Fortune platform you can be earning 3.33% every single day. You can register for this Crypto Fortune with any kind of Web3 wallet you are using, maybe MetaMask, BitGet, OKS, or any other Web3 wallet that you are using. I will drop the link to register for this Crypto Fortune in our Telegram group. So I will drop the link for our Telegram group under the comment section of this video. So if you are yet to join our Telegram group, just click on the link so you can join our Telegram group and copy the link to register for this Crypto Fortune. So once you have copied the link, then you come to your Web3 wallet. This one is a BitGet wallet, for instance. Then you go to the website section and you paste the link there. Let me paste the link here now. Okay, so this is the website section of BitGet wallet. I paste the link here. I paste the link here. So you can see, I click on visit the link, Crypto Fortune dashboard. So here you see, as a first timer, you have to click on confirm here. You click on confirm. So here you can see, do you want to connect to this website? That is Crypto Fortune. Then you click on connect wallet. Make sure that your network is under BNB Smart Chain network. So you click on connect wallet. So you click on sign to continue. I click on sign to continue. Then you click on confirm again. Confirm again. You enter your passcode. So we have been signing out to our Crypto Fortune. Here you can see, for automated on-chain strategies built for consistency, transparency, and control. Automation is 24/7 every day, and the average return is 3.33%. So to join this platform, just click on register and start. I click on register and start. So contract interaction request, you click on top up here. I click on top up. The next step, you click on pay gas fee with USDT or top up BNB. So I will prefer to use a pay gas fee with USDT here. I click on it. So let's say I want to deposit $10 to this platform. I click on this $10 here. Then I click on deposit. Then enter the code again. I click on confirm again. So this is now my dashboard now. So on this wallet, I have not earned any amount. Today's income is 0. Total income is 0. Total team is 0. Total business is 0. So for this referral link, you can see what they said there. They said, please make a deposit to get a referral link. So until you click on deposit here, you won't be able to get your referral link. So you click on deposit here. I click on deposit. So the minimum amount you can deposit is $10. You can deposit $10 and above. So I will type $10 here that I want to deposit $10. Then I click on approve USDT. Approve USDT. Then I click on confirm. So now I have been given the referral link after I've deposited $10 into this platform. So here you can see active cycles, that is $10, and it has started reading instantly. That is 44 seconds ago that I joined. So the bottom line is that you are earning 3.33% per day on any amount you are putting on this platform, and you can withdraw your money at any point in time. So within 1 month, you would have gotten back your capital on this platform. So now if you come to this place and click on the team here, let me show you something here under the team here. You'll be earning 3.3% on your capital every single day. But if you want to be earning from your referrals, then you have to deposit at least $20 on this platform, and that will qualify you to earn from level 1 to level 3 from your referrals. But whether you refer or not, you will still be earning. But if you want to be earning from your referrals, then you have to deposit at least $20 on this platform. This platform just started recently, and you are still very much early to partake and grab this opportunity. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and let us meet in my next video.